Sarah here with WTI. Are you looking for a great outdoor storage box?
If you are looking for one, well, look no further, because this beautiful outdoor storage box is everything that you'll need. It was easy to put together, it's lightweight, and best of all, it's very durable. I also love that it's waterproof and sun resistant. It's not going to warp or fade in the sun. It's not going to get your items wet on the inside. I love that it comes in many different sizes and many different colors, and here I am putting it together, and it was so simple. Everything snapped together. You only needed a screwdriver to put the hinges on, and with the easy to read instructions, I had it together all by myself in a matter of moments. I love that it has the Gas Strut Design, so it's very easy and convenient to open and close. You're not struggling with a heavy lid. It opens all by itself. I want to talk a little bit about the durability of it. It's very lightweight, and that made me a little cautious about how much it would actually hold. But here I am climbing on it. I bounced on it. I sat on it, and this thing is holding up to my weight and anything else I was going to throw at it. So it is very lightweight. I was able to just pick it up and take it outside to my back porch, where I was able to load it up with all of the goodies that I wanted to. It's getting cold around here, and this was perfect for loading up the cushions from my outdoor table. But in the summertime, I plan on using this for pool toys and moving it out to that area. I know that the capacity of this, everything in it is going to stay safe and fit well.
But that's just my point of view.